In the heart of rural India, the journey of Brahman bull horns begins on traditional farms. Only mature horns of proper size and density are chosen for processing.
Safe restraint ensures both animal welfare and precise horn preparation.
Each horn is assessed and marked at the base for clean separation.
Horns are removed with care, using established farming techniques.
The raw horn is carefully collected moments after separation.
Paired horns are gathered together for initial handling.
Fresh horns are loaded for immediate transport to the processing facility. The raw material begins its journey from farm to factory.
Raw Brahman bull horns arrive at the dedicated processing facility. Raw horns reach the factory gates for industrial processing.
Crates are unloaded with care to preserve horn quality. Horns enter the facility's first handling zone.
Each horn receives a quick quality check upon arrival. Raw material is transferred to the cleaning and sorting line.
Initial washing removes farm debris from the horns. Horns are dried and prepared for detailed sorting. The dedicated facility transforms raw horns into finished goods. Horns move deeper into the processing areas.
The main factory floor receives the prepared material.
Horns are graded for different end uses.
Material flows continuously toward core processing. Horns undergo thorough cleaning before transformation. Soaking softens and cleans the raw horns for further stages. Horns are removed from soaking and prepared for deeper cleaning.
Careful manual scraping reveals the natural horn material.
High-pressure rinsing ensures complete cleanliness.
Horns are meticulously sorted for specific processing paths.
Defective pieces are separated to maintain quality standards.
Horns are dried completely before transformation begins. Prepared horns now enter the core processing stage.
Horns are securely positioned for initial cutting.
Raw horns are cut into usable segments.
Cut segments are organized for further processing.
Rough shaping begins to define the horn's future form.
Edges are refined for safety and usability. Heat softens the material for advanced shaping. Softened material advances to the main transformation stage. Heat and pressure transform the horn into workable blanks.
Blanks cool and set into their new forms.
Blanks are cut into final component sizes.
Buffing enhances the natural beauty of the horn. Detailed refinement prepares pieces for automation. Components now enter high-tech automation systems. Automation takes over precise and repetitive tasks. Automated drilling ensures perfect hole placement.
CNC systems create precise shapes and details. Automated polishing delivers consistent, high-quality finish. Vision systems ensure every piece meets standards. Automation efficiently sorts for different product streams. Automation hands off to precision finishing processes. Precision hand finishing refines every detail. Color and oil treatments bring out natural beauty.
Pieces are grouped and prepared for final verification. Pre-inspection ensures only the best move forward. Products enter the quality control laboratory for thorough testing.
Precise measurements verify manufacturing accuracy. Strength testing confirms long-term reliability. Laboratory analysis ensures material safety and purity. Detailed surface inspection maintains premium standards.
Only fully approved batches proceed to packaging. Quality-approved products move to final packaging.
Precision packaging protects the finished horn products. Boxes are sealed and properly identified for distribution.
Products are palletized for efficient storage. Pallets are secured for safe transport and storing.
Finished goods are stored in the facility warehouse. Pallets are loaded for delivery to customers worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce Brahman bullhorn products from start to finish. Finished products travel from factory to bustling markets. Finished products travel from factory to bustling markets. Horn products reach the market for display and sale.
Beautiful finished goods made from Brahman horns are proudly displayed.
Look at the detail on these buttons.
Oh, they're beautiful. Are you getting the handle?
Yes, it's perfect.